Hello and welcome to Bollywood Fire. This is Roshni and today we have with us Splitsvilla X-ray contestant Samruddhi. स्वागत है आपका Bollywood Fire में.
Thank you so much. It's pleasure seeing you here.
So Samruddhi, it was very shocking for us your eviction. I mean, nobody was expecting इतना perform करने के बाद. You gave your best. जितने भी आपने performances दिए, you were doing so well. And then
Yeah.
at the last moment, we were seriously not expecting. You even had your friends supporting you. They
Yeah.
even had the opportunity to. How do you
Yeah.
feel? Was it shocking for you?
So yeah, it was definitely so shocking for me as well because मैं जय के साथ बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे terms पे थी. But also, I even understand his side of the game because when you're sitting there and eliminating somebody, there's a lot of pressure on you. And obviously, he had to consider Aditi's opinion as well. But एक छोटा सा बुरा लगता है कि he did not stay on his words. But I don't feel bad about it because it was a game and I proved it to the people around that I'm a good performer. And to be very honest, I was not planning to even survive the first dome. And I came so long and it was fine. Like it's all cool for me.
So you don't feel betrayed by them or anybody in the villa?
Not really, because I have an understanding of being on a reality show and doing what is right, what you feel is right for you. Obviously, agar main kuch decision लूँ, तो there are going to be people who are not going to like that decision, and somebody has to leave, somebody has to stay. So it's pretty fine for me.
Right. Okay, but we are a little confused because Jay and Aditi, they came to you and they gave a word here if you are voting for us, we are not going to dump you. And then suddenly they just, cards changed.
Yeah. Yeah. That was really
Yeah.
shocking actually. And I मतलब उस जगह पे when I was standing there and I had so much of confidence and faith in both of them, and when it was shattered the next minute when they took my name, mine and Trevon's name, I was obviously feeling betrayed for a little while. But then after that, when I thought through it and I gathered the understanding of being at that spot, I was pretty fine. So, and also, like, the thing is, where we went wrong was we should have elected for Shivam and Palak, but we did not use our brains there, and that was probably the only regret that I have. So yeah, that's one of the
It is
things.
because you were trusting them, right?
Yeah, exactly. I had total faith in them, or else I would have definitely gone for Shivam and Palak.
Right. But the point is that even Jay and Aditi had different options. Like Nikita was there and Avantika was there. They could have even chose them. They were not having such a real relationship if we could count on that comparatively to you and Tribon. So what do
Yeah.
you think about that?
So last I know was Nikita and Aditi. Like Aditi was a really close friend. Like she was really close to Nikita in the beginning. And Jay mentioned that he also had to consider his partner's choice. So probably because of that, they did not elect Nikita and Sam out. And the other reason was Jay and Gary, they were closer, than what he was close to me. He was not that close to me than how close he was to Gary. So that made a little sense. Starting made it not, but later on, as I thought through it, it did make sense. So yeah.
All right. But you still had twice chance, to be saved. You even shared good relations with Kat and Kevin. You and Trevon both. But eventually, what do you think gave them a reason to choose Trevon over you?
Yeah. So to be very honest, if I was in Kat's place as well, I wouldn't think for friendship. I would definitely think for the group because that is a bigger scene. Friendships, when you are on Splitsvilla, you have to play for yourself and for your group. When it comes to a situation where there are two groups and your group is falling a little, apart. So we all could see that our group was falling apart. And if they would have chosen me, I would have had to perform with Gary because that was the only option left with me. And Gary was on their side as well and on our side as well. Like he was in the middle. So what decision Kat took of not choosing me and choosing Trevon because Avantika needed somebody to play with was actually a smart decision. And I don't really feel bad about it. So if I also was in her place, I would have done the same. Thought for the game.
Right. Okay, so just after your eviction, Nikita just broke down. I mean, she just, started crying a lot. She even hugged you. So your friendship could, we can see that, the bond between you both. How was it, the scenario of your eviction?
To be very honest, Nikita and me, we were tight since day one. Like, literally, the minute I saw this girl, she came up to me. I went to her, and we both were like so mutually into each other. Like, it was just so easy. And since day one, we've been sharing a room. We've been together for all the tasks. We've been just, around each other. So, she is actually one of the persons that I've earned out of this show. That one person who'd be with you for like a very long time, for lifetime probably. So she's one of them. So I've really like had beautiful friendships on this show and outside the show, and this is one of the things that I'm really grateful for MTV, you know putting me
Oh,
through this.
yeah.
Yeah.
Right. So, Samruddhi, since you were playing with Nikhil in the last task, if you would say, Nikhil and you, Tribon and the other girl as
Bhumika.
well. So, yeah, Bhumika. So आप सभी ने साथ में खेला और उसके बाद भी do you think सारे लोग ये कहने लगे that Nikhil is not playing fair, he wants, मतलब वो willingly चाह रहे थे कि the other group to win, जो जीते हैं जय वाली और शिवम वाली ग्रुप.
Yeah.
So do you also feel that he played unfair?
To be very honest, there's something called a sportsman spirit. So there was this time in the previous episode where Avantika had to perform for them, and she did her best. She did not underperform. She did not think कि okay मैं underperform करूंगी, उनको हराऊंगी, नहीं. So मुझे बस एक चीज का बुरा लगा कि Nikhil could have performed like a real person, and later on जो देखा, because see, when it comes to a performance, it totally depends on you and how you perform, because you are portraying yourself in front of 1,000 people, right? So I think that is one place where you should have been real and performed like an actual real person. So yeah, that's obviously one thing that I really was upset about.
Okay. Since day one, we have seen that you were very much into Trevon. How do you describe yours and Trevon's bond?
Me and Trevon, we are really close friends. There's no love angle between us, but we both can count on each other. Like, there are few people who just come in your life and that they're just going to be there, around, even if there's nothing of that sort happening. So he's that one person that I can talk to about anything and everything. And, it's just very pure and beautiful. Like, it's really beautiful.
Right. Do you think if you and Tribon would have gotten an opportunity to go in front of the Oracle for the thing that if you guys are an idol match, do you think it would have वो हाँ बोलते?
I think मुझे लगता है हाँ बोलते, क्योंकि हम लोग day one से जैसे मेरे पास भी options थे, उसके पास भी options थे. We both also could have switched, but like we did not switch even once. There was a time where I was literally, मतलब जब मेरी first day पे उससे बात हुई थी, when we thought of playing together, I literally had my mind only on that guy कि मुझे पूरा game इसके साथ खेलना है, because he was very mature, practical, and very straightforward. And that is somebody I really that's the quality that I really admire in a person. So day one से मुझे पता था कि ये बंदा है जिसके साथ मुझे perform करना है और ये game जीतनी है. So yeah, definitely Oracle को तो ये दिख ही जाता कि we are very true to each other. So हाँ बोलता for sure.
Okay, who do you think is the smartest person in the world?
Amongst girls, I think the smartest person is I would give that to Kat, I guess. Kat is she's smart. And in guys, I would give it to Nikhil, I guess. Because, he's that one person who's quiet, who's not really like, उस ज़्यादा बात नहीं करता होगा, but उस पूरे गेम के पीछे उसका दिमाग है. He's the one who has the brains. That sort of a guy.
Alright. And who is the most genuine according to you?
Genuine.
Yes.
Genuine is, I feel the most genuine person is Samartha. He is
Alright.
very nice.
Alright. So अगर आपको त्रिभुवन को छोड़ के किसी और के साथ पैर बनाना होता तो आप किसके साथ पैर करते?
I would either go for Samartha or Vyomesh. Any of them. Because I'm really close to both of them.
So,
Yeah.
Right. So if अभी तो आप गेम से बाहर आ चुकी हैं, what do you think? आपका कनेक्शन किसके साथ कनेक्शन बनाएगा?
I want him to really like play for himself and think कि उसके लिए क्या अच्छा है, क्योंकि I really want him to win. So I think Avantika is a very good performer, leaving apart all the differences and stuff like regarding their personalities, but she can perform really well. So I think you should like go with Avantika for sure.
Okay. If Samruddhi had to give one advice to any such villain, what would it be?
I would like to give an advice to Bhumika, because she is a little she is very diplomatic. Being diplomatic is fine, but she's a little, she's not what she is on the face. She can be very, different behind your back. So that's one thing that I'd like to tell her, that just be a little real. That's it.
Right. So Samruddhi, how was it shooting in Kerala with Ranvijay, with Sunny? Like how exactly your entire journey would have been?
So basically the journey was very different, having cameras all over you 24/7, and that had become like a part of our day कि अगर हमें बातें करनी है, and when the cameras weren't around, we used to literally be like, no, we want the cameras, and then we'd talk. So we used to keep all these things. It had become like a daily routine, and it was a beautiful thing. Like, it was always my dream to go into a show where, like, Takeshi's Castle, if you know, it used to be
Yes.
there on Pogo. So I
Everybody
used to
knows.
like fancy I used to fancy that show, because लोग जैसे जाते हैं परफॉर्म करते, मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि मुझे ऐसा कभी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगा, या मेरा कभी ड्रीम नहीं था कि मुझे जाना है किसी रियलिटी शो पे, पर कहीं ना कहीं एक थोड़ा सा छोटा मोटा ड्रीम तो था कि मुझे जाना है जहाँ पे मैं परफॉर्म कर सकूं या ऐसी इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें एक्सप्लोर कर सकूं. सो वो मेरा ड्रीम कंप्लीट हो गया है, एंड आई एम रियली ग्लैड.
Right. Thank you so much, Samruddhi, for joining with us on Bollywood Style. It was lovely having a conversation with you and even watching you on Kujala. We wish you luck for all your upcoming things, whatever you are planning. Kindly share with us. It would be great because we have a lot of fans in our subscription of Splitsvilla. So stay tuned with us, and I would want कि मेरे सारे viewers हमें comment section में बताएं that what are you expecting in Splitsvilla के next episode में क्या कुछ होने वाला है. Let us know in the comment section and keep watching Bollywood Style.